Very good morning, students. Today we are going to see tenses. Tenses which plays a vital role in English. If there is no tenses, definitely we won't construct any kind of a good sentence. So it plays a crucial role in English. Tenses has three parts. The first one is present tense, past tense, and future tense. So we can come to the present tense. What is meant by present tense? The present tense is nothing but what it is going on in the present. You can see the past tense already what had happened. Definitely we won't change anything, that is past tense. So in the future tense it is called, it is not a real one. We can say that is an unreal one. So that is future tense. It is going to happen in the next minutes, next year, next month, like that. So present tense has four divisions. Simple present tense. You can see what's the definition of simple present tense. The simple present tense, we couldn't say whether the action is completed or not. Example, I go to church daily, or I eat an apple. So in this sentence, I eat an apple, we didn't get any right information whether he ate an apple, or he is eating an apple, or he will eat an apple. We didn't get any proper things. So and also it come under universal facts, philosophies, proverbs. There are so many functions which come under like simple present tense. Example, sometimes the scheduled events also come under simple present tense. Come to present continuous. What is going on while we are talking? This is it is placed very important role when we are talking. The action which is going on, the teacher is teaching the class now. This is the example for present continuous tense. You can see present perfect tense. Present perfect tense means just now it has happened. Actually the action is completed within 2 or 3 seconds. We used to say the action, that is called present perfect tense. So present perfect continuous is nothing but the action which is started in the past. It has been running in the past. Now the same action is going on now. We do not know when the action is going to complete. That is called present perfect tense. Come to the past tense. The simple past tense, the action completed. We can say ancient times, olden days, once upon a time, long ago. So there are so many keywords we can refer for simple past tense. So past continuous, yesterday at the same time we were doing something. We used to say in the present, in the past, that is called past continuous. Past perfect means in the past we have done some kind of things in minutely. So we can refer. So example, when we had entered the house, they were playing the chess. We can say like that. So fourth one, past perfect continuous. See here, there is the small changes between present perfect continuous and the past perfect continuous. Here the action started in the past. The same action it had been going on in the past. The same action which was completed in the past. It took 5 or 6 years. The next one is simple future. It is an imaginary. Definitely we can say next day, next month, tonight. We can say the examples simple future. So future continuous, the action not yet started, it is going to start in the future. Then the same action it will be going on in the future. Then the future perfect, also the action it is not yet started. The action is going to start, but we can complete the action within 2-3 seconds in the future. So the future perfect continuous, this is the last tense. The future perfect continuous tense is that the action it not be started, it is going to started in the future. It has been running on for 5 years, or you didn't say the proper time, that is called future perfect continuous. So this is the main outline of the tenses. So after this we should know person. Person means the subject. So after completing the tenses in outline, we can see person.